Hello students, today I will be taking your value education class of class 1. Okay, and the chapter I will start today, that is chapter number 9, A Good Deed. So all of you open page number 59 of your value education book. Okay, first of all let's discuss these 4 pictures. First picture, the girl is saying I must finish everything on my plate. So you should do that also, that you should finish your food whatever is on your plate. Number in the second picture you can see I hate fruits, mother's not here, let me throw these. The boy is his food because he does not like fruits. Is it a good thing to do? No, isn't it? You should finish your own food. And then in the third picture you can see let me help you finish your food. Here you can see if you cannot have your food the whole, you can share it with your friend so that the food will be finished. Let me help you to finish your food. And in the fourth picture we can see I should take only as much as I can eat. I must not waste food. Here the boy is saying that, and also we should remember that we need to take as much as food we can eat, not more than that. Otherwise that will be wasted, isn't it? So we need to take food as much as we can eat. Now let's come to the story. Turn to page number 60. It was Swati's birthday. All her friends came for the party that evening. The party had all of Swati's favorite things. There were balloons and streamers hung across the room. The table was heaped with cupcakes, sandwiches, chips, chocolates, vegetable cutlets, patties, juices, sweets, candies of all kinds. So many food you can see. And there was a big pink birthday cake also. Wonderful! The children enjoyed themselves. They played games, sang songs, and danced till their feet hurt. So they were enjoying very much. They filled their plates again and again and ate happily. But Swati's mother saw that a lot of food was left. She called the children and said, "Children, we should not waste food." Isn't it? We should not waste food. Anybody who wants to eat more, please do so. Some children took a cake slice or a cutlet, but still a lot of food was left. Then Swati's mother called up someone to pick up food from her house. A van drove up to Swati's house. Mother gave the leftover food to the man in the van. He said, "Thank you, ma'am. I will give the food to poor children. They will be happy." Swati hugged her mother and said, "Thank you, mother." Her friend said, "Thank you too." Swati was very happy. So Swati's mother gave the food to the poor children who need that food because they will must be hungry, isn't it? So we must not waste food and we should provide food to everybody who is in need of that. We all need food to eat, right? Okay, so this is a very small story and a good story. Now let's come to the exercises. You can see in page number 61. Here it is told to tick the correct options. Let's do this. Number 1. The table was heaped with food as option B. It was Swati's birthday. Option A, it was Swati's birthday, and option B, Swati was very hungry. So what is the correct option? Option A, right? That it was Swati's birthday. Number 2. Swati's mother told the children to eat as much food as they could because option A, she felt the children was hungry, or option B, food must not be wasted. What is? Option B is the correct option, right? That food must not be wasted. Food must not be wasted. Number 3. Swati's mother, option A, called someone to pick up the leftover food, or option B, threw all the leftover food in the dustbin. What did she do? She, obviously, option A, called someone to pick up the leftover food, isn't it? So 3A is the correct option. Swati's mother called someone to pick up the leftover food. Now come to the next page, number 4. The food that Swati's mother gave away was option A, sent to some other party, or option B, used to feed the poor children. So what is the correct option? Option B is the correct option, right? That used to feed poor children. And number 5, Swati's mother gave away all the leftover food. Option A, so that food would not be wasted, or option B, because there was no space in the house to keep the food. What is the correct option? Option A again, because so that food would not be wasted. Option A is the correct option, right? Okay, now come to the next part. Here we also need to choose the correct option. Number 1, you see that your sister is unable to finish the food on her plate every day. What would you do? Option A, ask her politely to take only as much as she can eat, or option B, let her waste food every day. What is the correct option? Option A, isn't it? Ask her politely to take only as much as she can eat. Number 2, you are unable to finish the rolls that you got in your lunch box. What would you do? Option A, throw them in the dustbin, or option B, offer them to your friends. What would you do? Option B, isn't it? Offer them to your friends. Number 3, your mother has made a new dish for you. What would you do? Option A, take a little bit, taste it, and then decide if you want more, or option B, fill your plates, and if you do not like it, throw it. What would you do? Option A, right? Take a little bit, taste it, and then decide if you want more. Okay. Now turn to the next page, page number 63. You can see the remember part. Let's read the points. First point, everyone needs food to live, isn't it? So we all need food to live. And point number 2, we must not waste food. That's why we must not waste food. If we cannot eat the food, we can provide it to someone else who is hungry, isn't it? Point number 3, if you do not want to eat something, offer it to someone who is hungry. As I have told you that if we cannot eat something, we should offer that to someone who is hungry. Point number 4, we are lucky to have as much food as we need. There are lots of people in the world who do not get food to eat, right? So we should feel lucky that we have enough food for our living, but there are some people who cannot even get their proper food, right? Okay, so these 4 points we come to know from this chapter. Okay, so the chapter is also completed. Today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye.